Welcome back, guys. Another video. We're at the Home Depot and we have to fix a rail that does not have one of these. So it's a face frame socket, okay? And get them right here. And you'll see when you put your rail down in there, you need something to hold the rail in place, and it goes in that groove. All right. There's different kinds, like this one right here, where you put it in. Anyway, we're gonna use this one, and let's go install it. So here it is. There's these little brackets that go on the wall. So you'll stick it in and you stick it on the end of here. So what we'll do is go ahead and take the old one out. Go ahead and take this one out first. To me, I pried it on there, but as you can see, slide it on the groove and you can pull it back or push it on as you need. To set my depth, I know that I just extended it out a little bit. And I know mine has to go to the end of here. But what I do is I put it in here, I line everything up to where it needs to be, and I keep pushing back until I'm right at the edge. So that's how I got my distance. So now I'm butted up against the wall with that distance, and I'm just ready to mount it. Put this one in first in the front, and then we'll guide that back and keep it level. And we want to make sure we're straight. All right. You want to make sure you're straight, or you'll have a hard time closing the drawer, okay? I'm going to set this down, and I'm going to hold this right here to keep that straight. And then I'm going to go ahead and, with my left hand, I'm going to go ahead and drill this down. I don't have a tripod today, but I have it in there, but it's not all the way drilled in. I'm just going to come down this line and I'm just going to tweak it just a little bit while I drill to make sure it's in place. It's time to put the drawer and test it out. There we go. Back to normal. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.